Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A leading analyst has identified 5 key changes to the iPhone 18 Pro. With the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max still about months away from release, GF Securities analyst Jeff Pu has already outlined several key changes. Here's what he expects from the new smartphones. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Number 5. Reduced Dynamic Island. Apple will move part of the Face ID infrared system under the screen. This will reduce the size of the dynamic island and free up more display space. Number 4. Variable Aperture Camera. The main 48-megapixel Fusion camera may feature an adjustable aperture. Users will be able to control the amount of light and depth of field, just like on a traditional camera. However, due to the small sensors in smartphones, the actual effect of such an upgrade is still questionable. Number 3. Apple's A20 Pro chip, based on 2nm technology. The next generation of processors will move to TSMC's 2nm process technology. This should deliver a significant performance and energy efficiency boost compared to the 3nm A19 Pro. Number 2. A new N2 chip for wireless communication. While the iPhone 17 lineup received the proprietary N1 module, with support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread, the iPhone 18 Pro may switch to the updated N2 chip. Specific improvements have not yet been disclosed, but they focus on connection stability and the speed of wireless functions. Number 1. Next Generation C2 Modem. Apple continues to develop its own modems. Following the C1 and C1X, the third generation C2 is expected. These will improve the speed and power efficiency of smartphones when using 5G and LTE networks. These are just a few of the changes attributed to the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro. The announcement is still a long way off, so the final feature list could change significantly. Furthermore, according to various sources, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to come in 4 main color options: space gray, silver, sky blue, and a shade referred to as dark cherry. It is expected that the new Apple iPhone 18 Pro models will launch in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.